Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are going to take an in-depth look at the Philippines 1 peso coin from 1993, a coin that carries both historical significance and collector interest. This coin was minted during a period when the Philippines was undergoing major economic and political changes. The 1 peso coin from 1993 is part of the Flora and Fauna series, which was issued by the Banco Central ng Pilipinas to highlight the rich biodiversity of the country and to celebrate its natural heritage. On the obverse of the coin you will notice the portrait of Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, whose life and work have inspired generations. This design is classic and reflects the artistic style of the early 1990s. The reverse side of the coin features the iconic coconut tree, which symbolizes resilience and the agricultural heritage of the nation. The details on the tree are intricate and showcase the craftsmanship of the minting process when it comes to material. This 1993 1 peso coin is composed of nickel brass, which gives it a distinctive yellowish tone and a moderate weight that makes it easy to handle. Collectors often look at the coin's condition when determining its value. A coin that has been in circulation for decades may show signs of wear, such as scratches, loss of luster, or slight discoloration. These factors can significantly affect its market price. On the other hand, coins that have been preserved in uncirculated condition or stored in protective holders can command higher prices due to their rarity and aesthetic appeal. The mintage of the 1993 1 peso coin was relatively high, which means that it is not considered extremely rare. However, certain factors can increase its value. Among these factors are errors in the minting process, such as off-center strikes, double strikes, or planchet flaws. Coins with such errors are highly sought after by collectors because they are unique examples that differ from the standard issue in addition limited edition sets or coins fro. Depending on their availability and condition. In terms of current market value, the Philippines 1 peso 1993 coin usually ranges from a few dollars for circulated coins to significantly more for uncirculated or rare error coins. Collectors often buy these coins not only for their monetary value but also for their historical significance and connection to Philippine culture. The coin serves as a tangible reminder of the country's rich heritage and the everyday life of Filipinos in the early 1990s. Many collectors advise that when purchasing a 1 peso 1993 coin you should examine it carefully for wear and any signs of tampering or cleaning, as improper cleaning can reduce the coin's value. It is also helpful to compare prices from multiple sources, including online marketplaces, coin shops, and auction houses, to get a fair estimate of what the coin is worth. Collectors often build relationships with reputable dealers who can provide guidance and authenticate coins to ensure that they are genuine. Overall, the Philippines 1 peso 1993 coin is a fascinating piece for anyone interested in numismatics or the history of Philippine currency. Its combination of national symbolism, historical context, and collectible potential makes it a coin worth owning. Whether you are a beginner collector looking to start your collection or a seasoned numismatist seeking to add a unique piece, the 1993 1 peso coin has something to offer. Its design, composition, and place in the Flora and Fauna series make it a coin that continues to capture the interest of collectors around the world. The Philippines 1 peso coin from 1993 has a fascinating history that reflects both the cultural and economic developments of the country. During the early 1990s, the Philippines was experiencing a period of political stabilization and economic growth after years of political upheaval and changes in government. The Central Bank of the Philippines, the Banco Central ng Pilipinas, had been working on modernizing the currency system and introducing coins that could be easily distinguished from older series while also celebrating the nation's identity. The 1 peso coin from 1993 belongs to the Flora and Fauna series, which was first introduced in 1983 and continued until the late 1990s. This series was designed to highlight the rich biodiversity of the Philippines by featuring native plants and animals on the reverse side of the coins. Each coin in this series carried a specific symbol that represented the natural wealth of the country. For the 1 peso coin, the coconut tree was chosen as the emblem because it is one of the most important crops in the Philippines and has been a vital part of Filipino life for centuries. On the obverse of the coin, the portrait of Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, is displayed. Rizal was a prominent figure in Philippine history whose writings and advocacy for reform helped inspire the movement for independence from Spanish rule in the late 19th century. His image on the coin is a reminder of the enduring values of patriotism, education, and social responsibility. The decision to feature Rizal on the coin was part of a broader effort by the Banco Central to incorporate historical figures into the national currency and to promote awareness of the nation's heroes. The 1993 minting of the 1 peso coin was part of a series of annual releases that aimed to replace older coins that were either worn out or made of less durable materials. The use of nickel brass allowed the coins to withstand circulation and retain their appearance over time. This material choice also reflected the modernization of the minting process, as the Philippine government sought to produce coins that were both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Throughout the 1990s, the 1 peso coin circulated widely and became an everyday difference in appearance between a circulated coin and an uncirculated coin can be significant, and collectors pay close attention to this when buying or selling coins. There are also intermediate grades that collectors use to describe the condition of the coin. These include fine, very fine, extremely fine, and about uncirculated. Each grade takes into account the sharpness of the design, the presence or absence of scratches and wear, and the overall eye appeal of the coin. Coins in fine condition will show obvious signs of circulation with much of the design worn down, while coins in extremely fine condition still retain most of their details with only slight wear. Coins that are graded as about uncirculated have minimal signs of wear and are nearly identical to a new coin. Another aspect of condition is cleaning or tampering. Some coins may have been cleaned improperly to try to restore shine or remove tarnish. This can actually reduce the value of the coin because collectors prefer natural patina and original surfaces. Coins that have been polished or cleaned aggressively may have scratches or uneven surfaces that detract from their appeal. Proper storage in coin holders, capsules or albums helps maintain the coin's condition by protecting it from moisture, air and physical damage. Finally, the condition of a coin is closely tied to its rarity and market value. Even though the 1993 1 peso coin was minted in large numbers, coins in pristine uncirculated condition or coins with unusual minting errors can command higher prices. Collectors carefully examine each coin under magnification, looking for small details and imperfections that affect the grade and ultimately the value. The condition is therefore a critical factor for anyone looking to buy, sell or add this coin to a collection, and understanding it can help collectors make informed decisions and appreciate the coin not just as currency but as a piece of history.